so thoughtfully provided by our benefactors. I've been proud to call City 17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown, to City 17, it's safe.
This must be a mistake. Got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.